Hello class 5 students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So students, I am your social studies teacher and today we are going to start a new chapter from your book, that is chapter number 1, Human Evolution. And what are the main points? Main points are stages and sources of human evolution and life of early humans. So let's start with the starter. Have you seen a picture of a chimpanzee? Answer the following questions. First, write one similarity between man and chimpanzee. Second, write one dissimilarity between man and chimpanzee. So let's begin. It is a long story about how man came to be like us and how the human's evolution took place. It took millions of years in changing of early humans or our ancestors into modern humans. Our ancestors looked like apes, but through a very slow development or change in our ancestors, they have changed into modern humans. According to the result of different scientific studies, the earliest ape-like man first appeared on the earth in Africa nearly 6 million years ago. They could not stand or walk straight. It was believed that apes were ancestors of humans. Now, scientists have found that humans and apes came from the same ancestors. The human evolution took place in different stages. Now, let's begin with stages of human evolution. In each stage, early humans are given different names. First, Australopithecus. Australopithecus had features of both humans and apes. They walked on two legs, bipedal, but they could not stand or walk straight. They had long arms and small brain. Here you can see the picture of Australopithecus. Now, second, Homo erectus. Australopithecus evolved into Homo erectus. Now they could stand or walk upright. They were of medium height. Their brain was bigger than their predecessors, Australopithecus. Now third, Homo neanderthalensis. The third stage of early humans and the modern humans were similar in some way. They were called Homo neanderthalensis or Neanderthals. Neanderthals had large and long faces, a wider and larger nose, and smaller chin. They were shorter and well built. Their skull was thicker and less rounded at the top. Their brain was of the same size as of the modern human. Then fourth, you can see the picture of Neanderthals. Now fourth, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens are the modern form of humans. They have round skull and bigger brain. They have balanced eyes and nose. They have smaller teeth and well-built chin. They are the modern humans. So students, do you understand? Here you can see the picture of Homo sapiens. Now let's move on to the topic, sources of human evolution. Students, scientists, archaeologists and historians have found some sources to know about the evolution of man. These sources include fossils and bones, cave paintings, tools, utensils. Now let's study fossils and bones. Fossils are the remains of dead plants and animals that were buried under the earth for millions of years and hardened. Scientists can find out the shape of the animal or human on this basis. It is the main source to trace the evolution of man. Here is the picture of a fossil under the earth. Next is cave paintings. Early man lived in caves. Some cave paintings are found in caves at Bhimbetka in India, which show early man doing different activities like hunting, etc. In these paintings, some animals are also shown, which were domesticated by them. The colors used in these paintings were made from plants and minerals. These paintings help archaeologists know the evolution of man. Here you can see in this picture Bhimbetka cave painting. Now let's move on to the tools and utensils. Archaeologists have discovered many tools of the prehistoric period that were made from stones, wood, bones, and animal horns. These tools were used for hunting, cutting meat, and removing animal skin, bark of trees, and collecting roots. Some tools would have handles of bone or wood to make spears and arrows for hunting. Here in this picture, you can see stone tools of prehistoric period. Now, our next topic is life of early humans. Early humans moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. They were called nomads. They did not live at one place. They were mainly hunters and gatherers. They hunted animals and birds and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, and eggs for food. They used stone tools for hunting and gathering. These tools were sharpened for cutting meat and digging the ground for roots. They made their tools better later by making them more sharp and fixing handles with them. They did not wear any clothes to cover their body. They lived on the tops of trees or in caves. Here are some pictures given of early human gathering food and early human hunting for food. Now let's see the valued fact, that is, early men had to face many problems in the way of their development. And here is the awesome fact that early humans looked like apes. Now students, let's learn new words. First is ancestor, forefather, upright, straight. Prehistoric, the history of humans for which there is no written record. Now students, let's remember the first ape-like man appeared in Africa nearly 6 million years ago. Changing of early humans or our ancestor into modern humans is called the human evolution. Australopithecus could not walk straight. They had long arms and a small brain. Homo erectus could walk straight. Their brain was bigger than that of their predecessor, Australopithecus. Homo neanderthalensis had large and long faces, wider large nose and smaller chin. Their brain was of the same size of a modern human. Fossils, bones, cave paintings, tools, utensils, etc. are the main sources to find out about the evolution of humans. And here we completed the chapter. I hope you like this chapter very much. We will meet in the next class. Bye-bye.